Okay, hello, this is a quick review for the Amazon Basics HDMI 10 feet cable. It's very easy to use. It's a male-to-male cable. I'm sure if I tell my parents, hey, I'm hooking up male-to-male, what do you think? I'm sure they get pretty worried. I use this primarily to watch TV and, hook up my laptop to my TV. It's actually nice, as you can see, it's nice, long and black. I'm sure some women will get pretty excited about hearing that. And let's see, by the way, all you soccer moms out there, unless you really want to impress your weekly Starbucks dates with your girlfriends, don't go spending, extra $30 or $40 at Staples for an equivalent product. This works just fine. It's made of some PVC outer layering, gold plated here. What else? Let's see. So, I'm not going to give you any technical specs with it. It's pretty easy to use. You stick it in one end and you stick it in the other end and boom, you're done. It sounds like a pretty cheap honeymoon first night. So, anyways, it can deliver. I think it can deliver 2 video streams simultaneously, and at the same time. So that's about it. So enjoy, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask anyone else. That's about it. Bye.
So that's how the Amazon Basics cable looks like. We got the 25 footer. So first thing I thought was gonna be the thin wire, right? No. This is almost as thick as the extension cords for my PS4 or my computer. So, there's the 25 footer. So not bad. So, I'm going to put it up and test it out later this week. For my projector that is about 20 feet away from the source.